Okay, I have a question for everybody. What is your favorite time of year? You know, I mean, as a motorcyclist, you know, that's one question I ask people. Do you like to ride in the summer or winter, fall, spring? What's your favorite time, and why? You know, and I think that question, it's interesting depending on where you are in the world. For me personally, living here in the Midwestern part of the United States, I tend to think that one of my favorite times of year to ride is probably fall. You know, there's something about riding when, you know, just before the leaves fall and the crest, just around the time, just about the crest where the leaves change colors but they don't fall, is just fantastic time of year. It's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's maybe 60, 65 degrees, maybe it can drop down to 55. That's a wonderful time of year to ride here, and my bike responds well to colder temperatures, which is wonderful. You know, so that's why I like that time of year. It's just a change from the heat. It's a different feel, a different sense of adventure, and it's just a nice break. Now, I also like, though, spring, because spring is, again, similar ways. Although it might rain, you get to see things bloom. You get to experience life coming back again. And on a motorcycle, you know, you start to see that burst of color, of green, and things coming back. And to me, it feels like a rebirth, and it feels youth again. And so I like spring too. And then I also like the summer. You know, the summer, while we deal with a lot of heat here, the summer still is okay, because I can jump out on the hottest day, and if it's really super hot, I'll just throw a coolant. Wow, that was cool. I'll throw a coolant on me, like I'll throw an ice pack and wrap it around my shirt, or I can take a cold washcloth and I can adjust my temperature that way. So I really kind of like summer too. But if I had to rank them, I'd say fall, spring, and then summer. And winter I'm just not a fan of when it comes to riding motorcycles. You know, you don't get as many good days. It's more about rain and bad weather here, and, you know, ice and things like that, and just things I don't really like to experience on a motorcycle. Now from a you know, general perspective, I'm a little bit easier on winter for everything else, but overall, winter is probably my least favorite time of year, especially for riding a motorcycle. But, you know, that doesn't mean I don't enjoy winter too. So what about you? What are your favorite times of year? Is it spring? Is it summer? Is it fall? Or is it winter? Let me know your thoughts, and let me know why as well. Okay. Have a great day, everybody.